Good day, everyone. This is Suresh Kumar from Zebu and Zebu School on Morning Market Update. Today is a good day, mildly positive day, and Nifty is about 50 points up right now as we speak. This is due to um, US markets opening and closing up when compared to previous days. The markets were up, Nasdaq particularly were up about 1.2 percentage, and similarly for this Dow Jones. And this seems to be there seems to be risk-taking feeling that is coming to the market. That is why the Bitcoin also opened up about 5 percentage higher. It was closing yesterday at a couple of percentage higher, and then today also 5 percentage higher, because there seems to be risk-taking sense that is coming to the market again. And the talk of inflation has eased a bit, and in particularly in USA, there is a talk of inflation easing, and then probably because of which the Fed might pivot from their quantitative tightening and then ease up on the interest rate hike, probably even stop it altogether at a later point, or instead of their announced 0.75 percentage hike, they might go with 0.5 or 0.25. That is the expectation from the market because of the inflation. That has a positive rebound effect on the international markets. But how it will play out in India is quite a different thing to is altogether. The reason being that when the markets all over the world was falling, we were stable, and in fact, we are very close to our lifetime high. That is the reason why, even if there is to be a uh, surge in the markets in the world over, probably we may not be seeing such a percentage uh, rise in the Indian markets. And there is a report on GDP which says that about our GDP growth rate, I mean, it might come down to about 6 point and odd percentage in 2024, but still very healthy when compared to all the developed nations, and even the developing nations. Uh, the country of our size doing that much GDP um, is quite great, but then not in the earlier expectations. We were expecting secular growth of about 7% and on, but it is going to be reducing a bit. There is some analyst opinion that rest of the year will be stuck between 18,000 and 19,000, if not lower. But if you want to trade based on that, then check with your analyst and your advisor, financial advisor, before taking any call on that. So Bank Nifty is also similarly up today, um, doing decently well. And uh, on the currency front, market has opened, that is, rupee has weakened a little bit, but then it is very much within the normal variance we see every day. That is one. And crude oil is trading little lower. Again, that is also well within the range of the daily expected moving range. Commodities, nothing much happened today, at least in the opening. We need to wait till the market end, at least when the US market opens, to see some kind of movement that is happening uh, in the commodity markets. So, if you are an investor, there are two. If you are an investor, then anytime is a good time to buy good stocks. We've always maintained that, but make sure that these are good stocks, because this new IH IPOs that has came in, like Nike, Paytm, Delivery, Policy Bazaar, and all those stocks have fallen down quite badly. And if you are tempted to catch a falling knife, please consult with your financial advisor to do this, because there seems to be a lot of negative news built around this thing that might reflect in the stock prices going forward. So allow the market these stocks to find some kind of bottom, do some value analysis, and then take a call this, um, on the stocks front. And if you are a trader, as we have always maintained, as we always maintained, there is a tendency to market to go up to lifetime high, somewhere close to lifetime high, and then fall. Earlier, this level used to be 18,200 for a couple of months. Now that has broken that 18,200 and reached almost at 18,600. That is somewhere near this lifetime high, but still not able to break it. it is still under the support level, so market hasn't fallen down badly from there. So only if and only if market decisively breaks the lifetime high, then it will go definitely. There's high chance for it to go higher. So if you are a trader, till such time it breaks the lifetime high, take positions on as sell and rise close to that resistance level. Um, on the buy side, yes, it is right now near the short-term support level. If one is adventurous, then one can go for short-term buying, but then with adequate caution and proper risk management. As we always say, is that trading is more of risk management than indicator or analysis. So be very careful with your positions. Let the market play, do its thing. When it is advantageous to you, make use of it. Don't take too much risk. Let the market reward you for your patience and your skill. Wait it out. If um, so our advice to you, I mean, our suggestion to you would be rather would be to wait for the market to Nifty to go uh, as close as can to the lifetime high, and then from there you can initiate some short strategies, shell and rise strategies, and then wait it out. If it breaks decisively above the um, uh, it breaks above, decisively above the lifetime high, then it will be probably in all likelihood that it will be a roaring bull market. So keep watching this space. We'll be coming up with the evening analysis of what has happened in the market today, and then we'll be making some kind of estimate on what is going to happen in the next day. So one more thing we need to know about the peculiarity is that even though the market went up yesterday uh, by about 100 points for Nifty, the FAAs were selling close to 700 odd crores they have sold. So we need to watch out what FAAs are doing. Not that they are any more significant because the retail buying itself is much higher than the FIS selling. So still, you need to watch out for this so that factor it in your calculations and take your decisions. Consult with your financial advisors. Thank you. This is Suresh Kumar signing off for Zebu and Zebu School. Have a profitable trading day. Have a safe trading day. Thank you.